Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've got a private internet access, PIA VPN gift card, or you want to pay for your VPN subscription without using a credit card, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to redeem a PIA VPN gift card, turn it into VPN credit, and start browsing securely. And as always, I've included a special link in the description that gives you the latest PIA VPN discount. So, if you don't already have an account, you can sign up at the lowest possible price first. All right, let's get started. Step 1, go to the PIA gift card redemption page, open your browser, and head to the official private internet access gift card page. The easiest way is by clicking the special link in my description. It will take you directly to the redemption form. Step 2, select your gift card. Brand PIA lets you redeem popular store gift cards such as Walmart, Target, Starbucks, and many more. Choose the retailer that matches the card you have. Step 3, enter your gift card. Details scratch or reveal the code on the back of the card or from your digital card email, and enter the card number and PIN into the redemption box on the page. Step 4, choose your VPN plan. PIA will convert the gift card balance into VPN credit. You can then pick the plan you want, monthly, yearly, or the 3-year plan, which is usually the best value and comes with the biggest discount. Step 5, create or log in to your PIA account. If you're a new user, sign up with your email address to create an account. If you already have one, just log in and apply the gift card credit to your existing subscription. Step 6, activate and install PIA VPN. Once redeemed, download the PIA VPN app on your computer, phone, tablet, or even router. Log in, connect to a server, and you're ready to enjoy private, secure browsing. Pro tip: buying a gift card with cash and redeeming it on PIA is one of the easiest ways to stay completely anonymous. Perfect if you care about privacy. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your private internet access gift card and activated your VPN service. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more VPN tutorials and privacy tips, and comment below telling me what you'll use PIA for: streaming, gaming, or just staying secure online. Remember, protecting your privacy online doesn't have to be complicated. With PIA VPN and a gift card, you can browse safely, unblock content, and stay completely anonymous. Click the link in my description to redeem your gift card and get started today.